Hey guys, I'm here with another video, and today I'm not going to do Minecraft, but I'm going to do something a little different, and it's a small helicopter. It's about, if I can find a quarter here, I'll show you. I'll show you the quarter later, but I've got it out and messed around with it a little bit, and I'm going to show you how small this thing is, and so yeah, here we go. Alright, so here we have the Proto X. So we're gonna open it, and this thing looks huge. So we'll set that off to the side. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Oh! Okay. And in the bottom of this, it has the USB charger. You plug it in right there. And let's see what else is in here. We have the controller. It might look big, but it's not. It's not. And we've got some spare wings. I bought those, so those aren't really. Here we comes with these spare wings, the instructions, and this is just the little thing that the controller comes in. Alright, now let's get down to business. Easy to fly. Alright, so now I'm going to show you you got your trim on, off, charger, USB, and your helicopter. It's pretty small. I mean, I'm just gonna hold this. It is small. We'll find a quarter later. And then you have your controller. Trim, again, trim, power, and that's like the light that tells you connected. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna go find a quarter. Alright, I found a quarter. These are side by side, see? I'll put it on the floor, sorry. See? And then here's the controller. Next to the quarter. This thing is really small. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And I might show you, like, how to fly it. Thanks for watching.